Hello, and welcome back to the madness. Okay, we got a big box here. And I'm really thinking it won't fit under here. Oops. Sorry. I just knocked the camera right out. Oh, okay. Okay, why don't I just be smart and put it on the floor? Okay. Okay. Oh, shit. I can't get it. Okay. So, what did I buy? Oh, gosh. I bought another lap table. This one's for Johnny. I love it. I absolutely love it because it has a big one and a small one. And it fits on your lap perfectly and it's lightweight. So, that one's yours, Johnny. And then, because I'm spoiled, I bought myself one for diamond painting, one for coloring. Couldn't think of what it was called. But, okay, something just fell. I don't know. There was a remote and I didn't know. But the reason you are here is because I spoiled myself big time. I wanted a new light pad because seriously, I was sick of mine constantly. This is my fourth light pad because I wanted, oh, don't tell me it's not. No, it is, but I don't understand. Hold on, let me just get it unwrapped first before I freak out. Okay, I got a Crafty. There it is. I wanted the kind where you unplug from here. So, it's really big though, but let's see. We're not panicking yet. We're not panicking. So, we are going to take this, get rid of that. I guess we should just use this one. We're going to take this one off. Come on, let go. And I have some of these if you want to stick it on. John Earl. Yeah, I know it does that. Do you know why it does that?
You put your pencils in it.
No, dumbass.
Don't cover your dumbass. There's a thing for your pencils in there.
John, it's to do this.
But you could also use those slots to hold pencils.
No, you're an idiot. My God. Seriously. It's to make it. The whole point of this table is to... Oh, shut up. Oh, my God. Anyone, please. Does anyone want a husband? You can have him. I promise. Okay. I want to kind of bring you... Yeah. You know, hot mess here. Okay. Can you see better? Yeah, now you got a better view. See, I was bringing you down closer so the damn light... Oh, no, it doesn't go that way. It goes this way. Okay, so... we got our sticky pads. Okay, and we want that lifted up. And... we really need to break this off for this one. There we go. That was easy. I don't want it locking. I need to be able just to lift it because if it locks, this is too big, I can't push the button. On yours, you don't have to do that. Okay, so. Oh, it's not too big. Okay, I was freaking out for no reason. Okay, so. I hate when I constantly say so, but I'm excited. So you guys should know by now when I say so a lot, it's because I'm excited or, okay, there's an adapter. Okay. We're breaking this baby out now. Nice long cord. Love that. Oh, we got this. Let's plug this in. Okay, that's plugged in. My God, long ass cord, like I said. Then we plug in here and let the magic happen. Oh, ta-da, ta-da. Holy crap. Okay, hold on, Miss Coffee. That's bright. Did you see? Do. Okay. Oh, crap. Johnny. My painting's all the way over there.
Why is it way over there?
Because it is, Johnny. Johnny's going to get it for us. See? And then you can do that. And it's perfect. I really like this size, too. It's not too big. It's not too small. Johnny, the people are waiting.
Well, give me a second.
He said, give him a second, people. Toby Tobes, how are you today? I think Jonathan's been wearing my socks. I got another hole in my sock.
This one?
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay,
Yes,
let's.
goodness.
Yes, you are goodness, baby. You're my goodness. Okay, so right there. Oh my God. Don't make it weird. You know what? I thought these clips were going to be good, but they're not very strong.
Why don't you try the clips that came with it?
Johnny says, why don't we just use the clips that came with it? Because I went to Harbor Freight for these clips. But, okay. Oh, shit. Fuck off. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. Well, we got new chipped clips. Or well, you still like them for yours, right? Or no?
Oh, yeah.
I bet you the bigger ones hold better.
They are. They're much stronger.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, why do I keep pinching myself? Okay. Look at that. I love it. Loving it. And if I want to sit here and diamond paint, I can. Or if I want to sit back and kick up my legs and just relax, I can do that. Why am I screaming at you guys? You're just right there. I don't need to yell. So, that was my Amazon purchases. I will link them below because this lap desk is like the best. I am very happy. I was able to diamond paint the last 3 days in a row because I had this, and I mean, look at this. I can lift it. Well, you can't. Here's this hand. I can lift it with one hand. And that's my bad hand. And I can move it all around, and it didn't shut off once. It did not unplug. It's right there. Okay, big shout out to Miss Coffee. She's the one who helped me find it, so yay! Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the madness. Till next time.